Second wave of the infection, we've been seeing a lot of people going in for CT scans if they're not able to do their RT-PCR test, or the results are awaited, or they're feeling unwell in spite of being negative on the RT-PCR test. Many people seem to be rushing in for CT scans, but these CT scans can actually do more harm than good is what experts are suggesting. I filed this report earlier. CT scans now being done to detect COVID-19 and the presence of infection in lungs can do more harm than help. That is the word from top healthcare experts in India.
85% of people have mild illness. They don't need to get a CT scan done. Getting a CT scan done is actually causing a problem for them.
Dr. Guleria, among others, note a trend of increasing cases of people resorting to using CT scans. They say neither should patients resort to this test themselves, nor should doctors overprescribe it.
CT scan, we should understand, is not a substitute of RT-PCR. CT scan, it has its own role in management of COVID, and whenever prescribed by the doctor, it can also alter the management given to the patient by the doctor. So this is my appeal to the general masses: don't get CT scan done on their own whims and fancies.
The scan may actually prove to be more harmful than help.
One issue is that people who have mild illness, suppose you have just in the first few days of illness, you just have fever, your saturation is well maintained, 97, 98, you really don't have much complaints. There is no need for getting a CT scan. You're actually, especially in the younger age group, a young person exposing a young person to a CT scan with its radiation risk is definitely not worth it, and therefore there's no point getting it done.
Even when there is a hospitalization, a chest X-ray should be the first option and not a scan.
I think we must remember that the diagnostic modality of choice is still is not HRCT but RT-PCR, and only in few circumstances where we need to look at the lung lesions where COVID test may be negative do we order HRCTs.
So are CT scans good or bad, and should they be done? Yes, only if the doctor advises it. Only if the patient is in a hospital setting or about to be admitted. Mostly required if the patient is moderately or severely ill, and not when the infection is mild. Not to detect the infection, and it's not a diagnostic tool. It's not to be done indiscriminately. The risks are exposure to radiation. Radiation can lead to cancer. The exposure to radiation from one CT scan is equivalent to exposure of 300 X-rays. Further, the government has also asked not to go for blood tests to spot biomarkers like CRP, D-dimer, if one has oxygen level at acceptable limits, which is above 94 and is asymptomatic. If you have classic symptoms of COVID, you're feeling unwell, and you have done a test and you're awaiting the results, or even if you've got the results of an RT-PCR test and you're showing up negative, then you must not go for a CT scan. Because remember, even asymptomatic patients, experts are saying, will have some patches in the lungs if you're diagnosed with COVID-19. In such a scenario, a CT scan is actually just unnecessary, even counterproductive.